What happened to looking out for each other rather than looking out for ourselves? At what point in our society did we dissolve community? There is a noticeable decline in humans helping humans. We have dissolved this over the last few decades, and our focus is lost. We are seeing a societal decay. Community is defined as a feeling of fellowship with others as a result of sharing common attitudes, interests, and goals. When we look out for each other and not only ourselves, community is built. Our society is then focused on helping. It starts with us. It starts by helping a family member, helping a friend, helping a neighbor, and helping a stranger. This can be anything from holding a door open, being kind, saying please and thank you, being present, proactively helping when we see someone struggling, or even providing emotional support to someone who is going through a hard time. The idea is to help, to come together and form a better sense of community. Community connects humans, creates a sense of belonging, and provides safety. This is what we need during this time. It's what we've always needed as humans. How do you contribute to building community? How do you help others?